Hey everyone, I'm Karen with the Christmas Light Emporium. Today we're going to be talking about 5 reasons why you should use LED Christmas lights this year. Let's go! Number 1, LEDs are cost efficient. Between traveling, parties, gifts, and decorations, it's easy to max out your Christmas budget before December's even halfway over. LED Christmas lights use up to 90% less energy than traditional bulbs, allowing you to keep more money in your stockings. Number 2, LEDs help the environment. If you're looking to go green this Christmas, go with LED lights. In addition to using less energy than incandescent bulbs, they also emit fewer greenhouse gases while they're being produced. It's a win-win for your home and for the environment. Number 3, LEDs are long-lasting. LED Christmas lights are perfect for anyone who's tired of dealing with broken and burned out bulbs. Standard bulbs last around 1,000 hours, while LED lights last approximately 50,000 hours. That's 2,083 days. Number 4, LEDs don't heat up. Incandescent light requires heat in order for the inner filament to produce its light, but this can be a serious problem when you're decorating a tree, garland, or anything that could catch fire. LEDs, on the other hand, will remain cool for hours on end. And number 5, LEDs are bright. Every decorator wants to create an eye-catching display, and nothing tops LED Christmas lights when it comes to brightness and color saturation. Make the switch to LEDs if you want your home to get Santa's attention this year. To sum it up, LED Christmas lights are a smart choice for your home, your wallet, and the environment. That's all for today, but be sure to subscribe to our channel for decorating ideas, promotions, and so much more. If you're ready to invest in LED Christmas lights this year, then head over to the Christmas Light Emporium.